Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read and learn. Subscribe us and click on bell icon to get every new videos. Hello kids, let's learn on profit and loss. The price at which an article is brought is called cost price. That is, in the nearby shop, when you buy a pen for 5 rupees, that 5 rupees is the cost price of that pen. The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. The selling price is when you sell that same pen to someone else for 7 rupees, that 7 rupees is the selling price of that pen. What is a profit? When the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference is the profit. In profit, the selling price will be greater than the cost price. We brought a pen for 5 rupees and sold it at 7 rupees. Here, the selling price is more than the cost price. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The difference is 2 rupees. That 2 rupees is our profit. What is the loss? When the cost price is more than the selling price, the difference will be the loss. Here, in this case, the cost price will be greater than the selling price. We brought a pen for 5 rupees and if in case we have sold it for 4 rupees, then the cost price will be more than selling price. That is, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The difference will be 1 rupee. That 1 rupee is our loss. Here, the cost price will be greater than the selling price. Selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. To find the selling price, add dash to the cost price. To find the selling price, add profit to the cost price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. To find the selling price, dash loss from the cost price. To find the selling price, subtract loss from the cost price. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. Selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Let's do some sum on profit and loss. The cost price is 127 rupees and the selling price is 100 rupees. What is the loss here? Answer is The cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. So 127 minus 100 is equal to 27 rupees. 27 rupees is the loss. When the cost price is 100 rupees and the profit is 15 rupees, then the selling price is. Answer is selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. So 15 plus 100 is equal to 115 rupees. 115 rupees is the selling price. Find the loss or profit. Cost price is equal to 8,650 rupees. Selling price is equal to 11,540 rupees. Here the selling price is greater than cost price. So we have to find the profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 11,540 minus 8,650 is equal to 2,890 rupees, which is the profit. Cost price is equal to 8,099. Selling price is equal to 6,956. Find the loss or profit. Here the selling price is lesser than the cost price. Hence we have to find the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is 8,999 minus 6,956 equal to 1,143 rupees, which is the loss amount. Find the cost price. Selling price is equal to 748 rupees. Profit is equal to 90 rupees. Answer is cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, which is equal to 748 minus 90 rupees, which is equal to 658 rupees is the cost price. Selling price is equal to 1,140. Loss is equal to 420. Find the cost price. Answer is cost price is equal to selling price plus loss, which is equal to 1,140 plus 420 equal to 1,560 rupees is the cost price. Find the selling price. Cost price is equal to 1,950 rupees. Loss is equal to 175 rupees. Answer is selling price is equal to cost price minus loss, which is equal to 1,950 minus 175 equal to 1,775 rupees is the selling price. Cost price is equal to 278 rupees. Profit is 85 rupees. Find the selling price. Answer is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, which is equal to 278 plus 85 rupees equal to 363 rupees is the selling price. A television is brought for 11,500 rupees and he has spent rupees 250 for transportation. Then it is sold for 14,000 rupees. What is the profit or loss? Here he had two expenses. One is cost price and the other is other expenses which he has spent for transportation. So the total expense is 11,500 plus 250, which is equal to 11,750 rupees. Here the selling price is greater than the cost price. So we need to find the profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, equal to 14,000 minus 11,750 rupees, which is equal to 2,250 rupees is the profit. A rice bag is brought for 1,250 rupees and sold at a profit of 350 rupees. Find its selling price. The answer is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, which is equal to 1,250 plus 350 equal to 1,600 rupees is the selling price. A grocer buys goods for 325 rupees and sells them for 595 rupees. What is his profit or loss? Answer is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 595 minus 325 rupees equal to 275 rupees is the profit. Answer is a fruit seller buys goods for 750 rupees and sells them for 695 rupees. What is his profit or loss? Answer is here the cost price is greater than the selling price. So we need to find the loss. The loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 750 minus 695. 55 rupees is the loss. Hope you all understand profit and loss. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.